How y'all doing? Hope all's well. Hope y'all had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now this video here, I actually made together with the one before this, where I done the door latch on the Trans Am. Because I done it all in the same day, so I made one long video. And I got it edited and everything, and then I'm like, you know what, I'd rather not do that, because some people will come to this page looking for Dodge stuff, and some come looking for Trans Am stuff, and I don't want y'all to have to sift through a video to find what you're looking for. So this video seems like if it seems like it just kind of jumps into it without much explanation, that's why. I shot all this before Christmas, and then over the holidays, Christmas, New Year's, all that stuff. I was off Christmas, but I worked in between Christmas and New Year's, and then New Year's, we're not going to talk about New Year's. Had a great New Year's with some of my best friends that's been there. My OG best friends from like we was little. And yeah, it was, yeah, I didn't even video much because, anyways, if you're looking to do, if you're watching this video to learn, if you're doing the LED gauge swap, gauge light, backlight, whatever, if you're putting LEDs in your gauge lights, watch this whole video first. I promise it will save you time in the long run. Just watch all of it, because I learned some things along the way. You'll see. So yeah, if you're here to learn stuff, if you're on my page, if you're watching my videos to learn stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because that's mostly all I do is how-tos now, anyways, because I'm always working on stuff. But yeah, I guess let's just jump into doing an LED gauge. I didn't do the information center, by the way. If you're here for that, it's not on this video. I just done the gauge itself, like the gauge lights, blinkers, high beam, and the warning lights on the gauge. So yeah, here we go. Alright, now we're off in this thing in Earl. Already got the bezel off. Fixing to put these in. This is LED gauge lights. I went red. And it's a huge upgrade over the factory. I've never done this. I've never took the cluster out of this thing, but after you take the dash off, got several videos on how to do that. Take a bolt, this nut, bolt, whatever, that one. Then you have, where's it at? This one is broke, one here, and one here. They are fragile. I didn't break it, but apparently they are fragile. So take those out, and the cluster should come out. Yeah, so after you take those screws out, you'll have this plug in here that's got this piece on it, and then you'll have one of these. Unplug those, get the gauge out. Here it is. Once you get it out, you just flip it over, and you got these little pieces here. I've done this side. I almost forgot to video it, but I took just only, you take a screwdriver or pliers, and that's all I had, wire strip pliers. But twist these to the left, they'll pop. Just pull them out. And there you go. And then I have these. Like I said, I got these bulbs off eBay. I'll post the link in the description down there. They are polar sensitive, so if you put one in, put it all back together, plug it in, make sure it works before you bolt it back down, because if a bulb don't work, you just take it out, spin it around, put it back. So I'm gonna put these 6 in, and I gotta go somewhere, and then we'll pick up from there. Alright, back from a haircut, whatever. As you can see, it's dark, so maybe you can see this well. I don't have the dash put back together, but got the gauges in. That's strange, it's not showing up on camera. But they are red. They're not that bright, but they look great. Like I said, I had a few that were in backwards. If they're backwards, they don't work. Now the headlight one ain't working. And I figured out the problem with that one. What it is the socket, when you screw it back in, they've got to be the same direction also. So hopefully you watch this whole video before you tackle this, if you're using this for reference. But yeah, so whichever way, when you unscrew it, pull the bulb out, or pull the thing out of the back of the gauges. When you take the bulb out, put them back in, put it in the right way. Or if you have problems, that's what it is. If it don't work at all, the bulb's in backwards because they are polar sensitive. But either way, oh yeah, that's also LED if y'all didn't know that. No, that's LED. The I ain't gonna spin it around again, but that one is the map light is also LED. The wire's hanging. I'm still waiting on the boost gauge to come in. It's supposed to be here Saturday. And like I said in the last video, the one I ordered was a 60, and I done it by accident. Because this truck, if it ever makes 60 PSI boost, it's going to be with a different owner. Alright, so aside from listening to Dixie chomp on her food, update on this. I didn't like how it was, how it's dim. So I done some Googling. And apparently there's some covers over the bulbs on the inside. So I'm about to take this off and see if I can't get the bulbs off. And I'm going to clean this while that's off. Of course my phone is charging. So yeah. Take this off. You take these. Well, I guess if I show you. Take these off. And then this whole thing comes off. The black piece I think is supposed to be separate, but may come off with it. If it does, I'm just going to let it go. So, alright, so like I say, this whole thing comes off together. It's a great opportunity now to clean this, which I'm about to do because it's filthy. And this is the little covers I was talking about. They're focus. They're just in our clip. So you pull one side back, when it pops out, it all pops out. I might can actually show you on this one. Yeah, that actually hurt doing it one-handed. But yeah. And so they just pop out. There's 6 of them. That one actually ripped my nail off a little bit. That hurt. But just be gentle. That one's might be a pain. I really don't want to take this gauge out, but I might have to. But like I said, you got one here, one here, one here, 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 and here. They cover all the bulbs. That's what gives them that bluish green factory tint. So I think that's what's making these so dim. But I'm going to pop these out and put it all back together. It's also a great time to paint your needles if you've not done that either. I need to, but I'm not going to because I don't have the stuff to do it. I can always take this out and do it later, but yeah, I'm going to take these out, put it back together. When I get it put back together, I'll show y'all the finished product. Alright, now it's all back together. Y'all seen them before. Let's see how it looks now. Oh, God, that's a lot better. Lord, yeah. That makes me happy. So, that's the fix to that. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Make sure that still works. See, I don't have a key. I'm just guessing. Yep. Oil pressure, seatbelt still works. Those still work, so. Yeah, that's how you fix that. That's a whole lot better. Like I said, y'all seen them before. So, hopefully y'all watched this whole video before you done yours, if that's what you're after. But, alright, that's it. What do you say, Dixie? We're out. So, y'all be safe. Y'all have fun. Hope y'all have a Merry Christmas. Happy New Year's. And, yeah, I'll see y'all next time.